Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone at the start of each content. So today, I'm revealing 12 unbelievable rumors about the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max and its sibling, the iPhone 17 Pro. These next-gen iPhone specs are emerging just weeks before the official announcement, so if you love rumored features, savvy design shifts, performance boosts, and camera innovations, stay tuned, because this leak list is bonkers. Materials overhaul, aluminum, not titanium. First up, we'll talk about the rumored change in the build material. Word is, Apple might dial it back to aluminum for the upcoming Pro models, abandoning the previous titanium chassis. It's a puzzling shift. Aluminum is familiar and cost-effective, but titanium offered superior rigidity and premium feel. Is this a cost-cutting move, or a strategic decision for thermal performance and weight balance? Visual redesign, chunky camera bump and boxy profile. Next, get ready for a whole new look. Rumors suggest the rear camera setup is transforming into a more pronounced hump, with a boxy, squared-off profile. The layout of the LiDAR sensor and flash might flip, too, giving the devices a fresher silhouette. This design revamp could set the iPhone 17 lineup apart visually from its predecessors. Bold new shade, orange joins the lineup. Color lovers, rejoice. In addition to the usual black, white, and gray, Apple is said to be introducing a dark navy blue and, surprisingly, a vibrant orange hue. This bold new option could inject some personality into the Pro series and might just steal the show on the color front. Bulkier body, bigger battery. Speculation has it that the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will be slightly thicker, just a millimeter or so, but this tweak is believed to allow for significantly larger battery capacities. The Pro Max might finally surpass the 5,000 mAh barrier, addressing a long-standing fan demand for improved longevity. Anti-reflective display, nanotexture-like screen. There are reports that both Pro models will debut anti-reflective front glass, possibly akin to the nanotexture finish seen on iPad Pro or MacBook Pro screens. If true, this would make glaring reflections a thing of the past, especially when using the phone outdoors or under bright lighting. Pro-grade cameras plus 8x optical zoom. Photography enthusiasts are hoping the rear camera trio will all pack 48MP sensors. The telephoto lens might even support up to 8x optical zoom, a major leap forward for mobile zoom capabilities. Front camera upgrade, 24MP, smaller notch. Apple's front camera is rumored to get a megapixel boost to 24MP, and the usual notch or dynamic island may also shrink in size. This would enhance selfie detail and improve the aesthetics of the front display. Dual-side 8K recording, one of the most exciting whisperings, dual recording with simultaneous front and rear feed, perfect for capturing your reactions while filming. And hold on to your hats, 8K video recording might finally debut on iPhones, though it's unclear whether it will be capped at 30 frames per second or stretched to a buttery 60 FPS. A19 Pro chip and 12GB RAM on the processing side. Rumors point to an A19 Pro chip, touted to offer a 25 to 30% performance boost over the A18 Pro across CPU, GPU, and memory processing. Paired with 12GB of RAM, this combo could make the Pro series iPhones true multitasking powerhouses. Advanced cooling, vapor chamber tech. Overheating complaints with earlier Pro models may get addressed, as Apple is said to be implementing a new vapor chamber cooling system. This could revolutionize temperature management during heavy tasks, like video capture or gaming marathons. Price hike, roughly $50 extra. Finally, a subtle yet impactful leak. Both Pro and Pro Max models may see a $50 price increase in the US. While that might not sound drastic, it could push the high-end pricing even further, especially after factoring in regional taxes and fees. Why these rumors matter? This redesign, performance, and feature overhaul narrative aligns organically with trending iPhone 17 Pro Max rumors, next-gen iPhone specs, leaked features, camera innovations, battery breakthrough, and design revamp. Search intent. Mixing in those terms through your text can really boost discoverability.